If you've ever felt overwhelmed by notifications or struggled to keep track of incoming tasks in Asana, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use your My Tasks inbox in Asana, plus how to power up your workflow with helpful integrations. By the end, you'll know how to manage your action items with confidence and connect Asana to other everyday tools so you're always on top of what matters without missing a beat. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about your Asana inbox. It's more than just a spot where notifications collect. To access your inbox, simply look for Inbox in the left-hand sidebar of Asana and give it a click. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the right workspace, and it should pop up front and center. Once you're inside the inbox, the main pane displays a chronological list of notifications from your organization. Think of this as the stream of updates flowing in. Every assignment, comment, and deadline change is right here. The most recent notifications always sit at the top, and you'll notice new ones have a little blue dot. That's Asana's way of saying, hey, this just came in. Pay attention to me. It's a simple but effective visual cue to help you spot what's untouched. When you click on any notification, you get the full task details. From here, you have several powerful options. If you're not ready to deal with a notification yet, mark it as unread. This is like flagging an email for later, so you never lose track of something important. If the notification sparks a new idea or action, you can instantly create a follow-up task for yourself. It's like turning a quick ping into a custom to-do, super useful for capturing things in the moment. Sometimes you'll spot a notification that you know you'll want to reference later, maybe a key deadline or discussion. In that case, use the Add to Bookmarks option. This moves it to your Bookmarks tab, making it easy to find when you need it, without scrolling through everything else. Clearing out your inbox is just as important. When you're done with a notification, simply click Archive. Don't worry, archived notifications aren't gone for good. You can always search and find them later if you need to check back on something. At the top of the inbox window, you'll notice 3 tabs: Activity, Bookmarks, and Archive. Activity is your default. It shows all new and recent stuff. Bookmarks, as I mentioned, are for anything you've saved as important. Archive is your running log of all notifications you've handled. Using these tabs, you can organize what's urgent, what's important, and what you've already processed, sort of like having tidy drawers for your digital paperwork. Aiming for inbox 0 is a fantastic habit. When a notification comes in, try to take action right away. Either deal with it, bookmark it, or archive it. It's a bit like sorting your physical mail. When everything has a place, it never piles up. Now, let's talk about integrations. This is where Asana truly becomes your productivity hub. To get started, head to the settings or the App Store inside Asana and look for options to connect other tools. One of the most popular is email integration. Whether you use Gmail or Outlook, you can link your account so emails turn directly into Asana tasks with assignable owners and due dates. It's almost magical. An email you would have forgotten about instantly becomes trackable work. Even better, when you create a task from an email, most integrations will automatically include a link back to the original conversation in the Asana task description. So if you ever need the full context, it's just a click away. Beyond email, Asana connects with tools like Slack, Front, and JotForm. For example, if you use JotForm for signups or feedback, you can set it so every form submission triggers an Asana notification, even creates a new task. No need for manual copy-paste. Many integrations also keep your worlds in sync, so information flows back and forth. Some will push task updates from Asana directly into your email inbox, so you can easily see which tasks are tied to which conversations, keeping context front and center. With these techniques, you'll master your notifications, stay organized, and collaborate better than ever. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider giving the video a thumbs up, and feel free to drop any questions or experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you use Asana. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.